मशहूर एक्ट्रेस कंगना रनौत जब दिल्ली आई तो नेटवर्क न्यूज ने उन्हें अपने कैमरे में कैद कर लिया। चलिए जानते हैं नेटवर्क न्यूज संवाददाता पैनी जयपुरी से कंगना ने क्या बात की।
Glamour. So when we were working on the film Manikarnika, there were so many ways one can make that film, right? To go completely, I mean, there are so many ways of interpreting that period, the drama, the look, the vision, the backdrop, the time, and Neetaji doing the entire film, not just my costume. And she has this amazing ability to make everything look so mainstream, which is so fascinating. That when she dressed up everyone and the way frame looked, it looked like the most expensive film, So I think that's what matters, because everyone doesn't have that aesthetics. How she thinks with relation to the light, the scene, the mood, everything. But the most outstanding factor, I think, of Neetaji's work is the factor that it's so glamorous. Everything, like people who see, like there is a certain, up till a certain part when my character is married and like not so much in trouble. She's quite glamorous, but she's made me look the most beautiful.
Next question.
Kanna, will we see a lot of Rajasthani elements like Gota Patti and all in your outfits?
Neetaji, आप बताएंगे?
I just spoke to him. No, there will be no Gota Patti in the outfits. There's no lehengas. And Jhansi Ki Rani is the woman who had a lot of strength, a lot of power, and she exuded that in every which way, be it the way she stood, be it the way she spoke, be it what she wore. So you'll see a lot of elements of saris, you'll see a lot of elements of different kind of clothes that you wouldn't imagine any woman at that point in time would wear. But that was her strength, and I think that is also Kangana's strength.
Yeah, she was Maratha, and also she was married in Jhansi, so maybe a little bit influence of Bithur and little bit influence of Marathawada or Jhansi, which is UP. So a little bit of those influences, but definitely not Rajasthani.
Kanna, you will be representing India in Gandhi Going Global. So
Yes.
is Neetaji designing your clothes?
Neetaji, actually we have Khadi, we are promoting Khadi in Manikarnika also, because Manikarnika, again, like I said, when they were trying to throw British out of the country, they were encouraging a lot of handmade things. So Neetaji ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे कपड़े, बहुत खूबसूरत खादी के जो कपड़े हैं उसके खादी का और बाकी फैब्रिक्स का मिक्स करके बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस साड़ियाँ बनाई हैं, क्योंकि खादी is usually associated with a bit of a de-glam look, which is not true, which myth Neetaji is going to break. And I'm very fortunate to be sharing this stage with such dignitaries like Oprah Winfrey and Michelle Obama and many others. So I'm very excited, and yes, I'm going to be wearing something in Khadi, and we're very excited about that.
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाएं। नेटवर्क न्यूज की खबरें सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।